Assalamualaikum. Today, me and my group mates will talk about the challenges for oil and gas companies in reducing costs and remaining competitive in the energy provider industry. Energy provider industry includes companies that generate, distribute, and sell energy, either electricity or natural gas, to consumers. This industry play an important role to ensure the stability of energy for homes, business, and other entities. One of the largest sectors under energy provider industry is oil and gas. Globally, the largest oil and gas company is Saudi Aramco, followed by ExxonMobil and Shell, where in Malaysia, Petronas is the market leader. As the world undergoes transformative shift in energy dynamics, the pressure intensifies on this company to adapt, innovate, and navigate a landscape where efficiency is crucial. Hence, in this presentation, we will explore the challenges faced by oil and gas entities as they strive to stay competitive while reducing the cost in the energy provider industry.
Oil price volatility refers to the unpredictable or unstable fluctuations in crude oil prices that are influenced by geopolitical events, Russia-Ukraine war. This could significantly impact oil markets, making them more unstable and unpredictable. Russia's gas supply cuts disrupt global recovery, impacting energy supplies and affecting the global economy as the GPR index rises. Moreover, the geopolitical economy could lead to oil price volatility as the simulation of the Asia Global Economic Model in 2022. The average oil price reached $100 per barrel, leading to high inflation and lower GDP, affecting importers like South Korea, Singapore, and India. Furthermore, global demand could contribute to increased oil prices. The figure shows that rising oil prices could lead to global instability in certain countries, affecting food security and causing instability.
Next, transition to renewable energy is another challenge to oil and gas industry. Renewable energy grows from 60% to 77% from 2010 to 2050, with wind and solar dominating. By 2030, they supply 45 to 50%, and 2050, 65 to 85%. Fossil fuel demand peaks by 2030. Next, government regulations like carbon taxes increase costs and decrease demand. Besides, clean energy investment are vital but costly, requiring upfront spending. In addition, in Malaysia, Petronas target 25% emission reduction by 2030, caps Malaysian emission at 49.5 million tons by 2024. Gentari aims for 30 to 40 gigawatt renewable capacity by 2030, featuring solar projects, 225 charging stations, and a hydrogen facility. And lastly, to summarize, oil and gas industry face economic impact, regulatory pressure, and adaptation costs from transition to renewable energy.
Let's move on to the next point. The Paris Agreement is a worldwide deal to tackle climate change where it aims to keep the planet temperatures below 2 degrees Celsius with effort to stay within 1.5 degrees. For oil and gas industry, they need to align their business strategies toward Paris Agreement by aiming to decrease the emission of GHG and assist the global energy transition. However, according to a report by International Labour Office, only 17% of companies have set medium-term targets that align with 1.5 degrees Celsius scenarios, and no companies have successfully incorporated climate risk into their accounting and audit procedures. Hence, it is proven that it has been a challenge for oil and gas sector to adjust its business operation to comply with the regulations. Not only that, but to achieve Paris Agreement, the use of oil and gas would reduce by more than 75% by 2050. It is also expected that the oil demand and price will drop significantly. These scenarios is expected to slide the price of oil between $28 and $32 a barrel by 2040 and worsen by 2050 as it slip between $10 and $18 as oil demand might reduce by 70% from current levels. Hence, the journey towards net zero emission can be said to be harder to navigate, less profitable, and riskier for oil and gas industry.
The Paris Agreement encourages R&D investment to reduce greenhouse gases emissions and improve resource use. It also explores carbon capture, utilization, and storage for upstream segments, transforming carbon dioxide into materials. The IEA predicts an annual investment of $40 billion in new projects for CCUS by 2024. Besides that, AI technology is revolutionizing oil and gas, mining, and construction industries, but is causing a shortage of skilled professionals due to trust concerns, job loss, and legal considerations, potentially leading to financial and environmental issues. Besides that, AI tools need high-quality data, which means that oil and gas companies may need to make changes to their operations. To be successful, they should adopt a culture of open innovation and collaboration, embracing free sharing and open publishing practices. This AI technology advancement is challenging for the oil and gas industry as it has a high initial cost, lacks expertise, and needs high-quality tools.
In conclusion, oil and gas companies face significant challenges in reducing costs and remaining competitive in the energy provider industry due to the oil price volatility, the increasing competition from renewable energy sources, the evolving regulatory landscape, and AI technological advancement. Balancing cost reduction efforts with the need to remain competitive requires strategic decision making and continuous innovation. Overall, oil and gas companies must proactively address these challenges to ensure their long-term sustainability in the evolving energy landscape.